rocking my but he's getting with.
Hey man, say man, it's not one J man. We got not supposed to bang up for y'all today, man. Special nigga. It's special.
Oh Mace. Oh Mace, can you? All right, David.
Hey man,
y'all know the
we back again.
Y'all know
Dave. This that Santan Dave.
The man.
2 birds, no stones.
Indeed.
When this drop? 6. Damn.
Is it on? Is this on the We're All in This Together album? Chat. Let me see.
Right now.
What was it? Just a single?
Probably.
Dave. Well, this is 2016. I understand. I'm about to say you putting the whole Snapchat out like that. I'm weak. Well, we'll see. Shit.
Hey, Dave. We know what we getting.
Maybe it's one of them talking songs like he gonna talk to you.
I hope it's something that make me think.
2 birds, no stones. I mean, it gotta be. That's just sound like one of them talking to you songs.
2 birds, no stones. How you kill 2 birds with no stones?
Are you killing 2 birds?
Birds and the bees? We never know.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I'm intrigued.
Without further ado, let's get into the shit, man.
See what it do.
Oh, and we got a visual?
LX. Who's LX?
Director. It was in the bio too.
Is this Malibu, chat?
Nah, it's not Malibu. Wait. No, that's fuck. What's the place where Hannah Montana was shot?
Is that not Malibu?
Is that Malibu?
I don't remember.
Is it Malibu?
We're gonna find out, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so.
Look, I can kill 2 birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in the stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own role. Man are just clones though. Copying the trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough and I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me what the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no.
Oh my god. Off rip with it?
This is such a Drake beat too, by the way. It's
throwing
me off.
Is this when he met Drake? OVO?
I don't know. I think he was on Drake's 2017 album, Scorpion.
No, that was more like 2017. Scorpion was 18.
Shit. My fault, Drake. I should know that. That's what I meant. More Life. That was 2017.
Was he on it or was it? I thought it was on.
They were both on it.
Oh, okay.
You know, More Life. He had all
the UK motherfuckers up there. I think Getz was
the
on
different
there.
sounds. Yeah,
or
all that shit.
Gigs was up there.
Yeah. So all the news up there.
Look, I can kill 2 birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in the stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own role. Man are just clones though. Copying the trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough and I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me what the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no-bro. Your future looking copper, mine 20-carat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music game slow-mo. Days I saw no growth, but Christian doing promo. Hell, sleep, cold, snow, and people wouldn't know though. When everything was blessed, before we went solo. We had man them on a Camden like Coco. Them telling lies, I got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship, we trying to show boat, it's actually true. Cause when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, cause you want someone to blow until they actually do. And then the pop stop.
Chat, my knees. They goose bumping. They
You
goose
want
bumping.
them to blow until you see them going up for real. Damn.
Then you got to reflect on yourself.
Like, damn, was I really happy for this person? Like, boy, it get deep.
They do.
Because was you really happy for them? Because it's like, at a certain point, it's like, damn, I don't want him to go too far.
Well, you can't catch up.
Because I can't get to him.
Exactly.
He not in arm's reach. I can't leech on. You know what I'm saying?
It's that crab mentality.
It's, boy, in a barrel.
That's what I'm saying.
Misery love company.
I'm saying.
That's
you about to get about that thing. Oh yeah.
And I can't come with
right
you.
Back here.
Nah,
Mike that ass.
We all in this barrel.
All in this
Rolling
together.
together.
That's crazy. David talking.
Man, them wanna Camden like Coco. Them telling lies, I got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship who tryna show boat. It's actually true, cause when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, cause you want someone to blow until they actually do. And then they're pop stars, my end's still hot, I slip not, I'm a rock star. I'm on this road alone, my bros in the trap.
Did he say my end's still hot, I'm a Slipknot? Is that what he just said?
Yeah. And then he tied it into like the metal group.
I'm a rock star. I'm on this road alone. My bros in the trap, he got sticky fingers, Rolling Stones. And on the other line, we got Jack Bennett. From Canada to London, lawyers and gunmen. Being by yourself can make the best of things redundant. I feel everything and nothing, man, I'm empty. I'm really on the edge, so don't tempt me to pick up something lengthy. Don't ever say I've changed. I'm on the bus and train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother, use your brain. Put down your blade, like I never took the train to Essex in the rain for a session on my J's, my girl, and my mates. Like I never fucking worked for this. When drill was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me, like I never wrote picture me. Literally, half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently. Disrespect I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense, I'm super cool, don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Stop it.
Yeah, nah, he talking, bro.
He said you was using me to dig for gold.
Hey,
But he was like my pension.
minor.
Stop! Why is he talking? Why he talking like this?
He always do.
Oh my gosh! Like the whole minute he just ran.
The beat is just so hard to me.
Facts. It's so
Like
subtle.
when that every time.
Oh
bro,
my gosh!
he really
Chat my palms.
like
Like
he really him. Like and his flow isn't nothing extravagant.
No, he
like,
just
that's
talking.
That's what blows me. Like
you don't got
nothing
to.
crazy.
When you talking, you don't got to.
Speak up, nigga. Like
Oh
that
my
nigga really.
Gosh, bruh.
Half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently. Disrespect I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense, I'm super cool, don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest listens from vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher, or treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired. I'm more like apples, I'm insider. I'm lonely and nothing more.
Wait, whoa.
More like apples.
Whoa, he said my music is like silk in spider. Is that what he said? Was that like wordplay on spider? Inspired her? Is that what he was trying to say? Okay.
He go.
Okay.
He that
Okay.
He that nigga.
Okay.
He's truly
My
that guy.
music is like silk. It's inspired. Inspired her. Oh my god. Did y'all catch that?
He's really like chat. Just go all the way back. Just
don't catch that.
Just go all the way back.
Like, bro, inspired her.
That nigga's terrible. That nigga's terrible. He's
Like,
a
it's to the
demon.
point, like, I don't even get surprised no more.
Like I just don't understand how he's not. Hey, how he hasn't.
Mainstream?
He has.
I
Yeah.
mean, he's mainstream, but how he
Hasn't came over yet
because like Central C is bigger than him, I would say, in the
in the
US.
U.S.
And that's weird to me.
But Central C be out here though. He was out here for like what, a year, maybe less than that.
But still,
That's what I'm saying.
that buddy don't be out here. Like,
He be around. He be around.
and he just did a WWE thing too.
I know.
Like,
He be around.
he's still in the storyline.
I know. I think they doing because I think Backlash is in Puerto Rico.
Wow. WWE, they be on it. That's crazy.
They gonna take advantage of it now.
Ain't that busy?
They gonna get that culture. They gonna get that culture out of you now.
Yeah, they definitely is. But nah, I don't know why he's not big here. That's. I would love to ask him that. Like, why do you think?
Why do you feel?
You're not big?
Or what are some
here?
things you think you can do to get to that? I think he's
I don't
chilling
think
now.
he cares.
Yeah, I think he's chilling now. I don't think he.
When you're the best,
Because you don't really got nothing else to prove.
When you can literally say, "I am the best in my country," consensus. Like, there's no. Like Drake can say, "I'm the
best in his country."
Yes,
He can say he's the best in two countries, arguably.
that's what I'm saying. Like, why would you really trip?
That's kind of tough. Because like you do Olympics, you represent 2 countries, technically.
Yes. Like I'm the, like it's cool. King of my city.
They should do it.
That's
well,
cool.
I guess you can't really do Olympics for rap because niggas is different languages and all type of shit. Unless you have like a translator or some shit.
But
it would take away.
Yeah, it would take away from the field.
Yeah.
It would have to. That's ass.
That would be tough.
Like, but like Africa would have like Tim's.
Yeah.
She's like a whole continent though. Stuff like that. Or what's the kid? I think his name is.
I'm not hip to him. I see him, but I'm not hip to him.
He's pretty good.
He been around for like.
Or Burna Boy.
Yeah.
Them. I'm like that's fire. Honestly, Korea will probably win.
Korea.
Yeah, we're not beating them fucking K-pop niggas. We're not beating them.
Lyrically?
No, I mean talent-wise, of course I think so, but they just
got the fanfare.
Yeah, like
you're right.
Like Taylor Swift will probably beat anybody that we even try to like. She probably beating Drake. Like Taylor Swift is probably gonna beat Drake.
Yeah,
probably. Or Adele. Like it's a rap. Like
is she? What is Adele? She's like London.
She's from England.
Yeah.
Or London. Yeah, London. It's a rap. Like we're not beating these niggas. Like we're such a small like piece of the pie. So.
But we have like majority hold of the pie, which is kind of crazy. Because
I mean, if you take hip hop out, music is not really.
If anything, if you take hip hop out, then it's like Spanish culture really like runs the shit now.
Yeah.
Or Latin music rather.
But you got to think there's more races than there is black, and the majority of hip hop listeners are black. So we're a minority. So it's like.
But we're the majority of the music cycle at this point.
Since it's like we're the majority of sports.
Yes.
It's the same thing. It's really the same thing.
Hey, check.
We're the workers.
Y'all better catch up.
My headphones every day, you people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother, use your brain. Put down your blade, like I never took the train to Essex in the rain.
I was always grinding. I took this train with the mace.
When drill was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me, like I never
got the keys going.
Literally, half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently. Disrespect I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex. On my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex. But I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying no offense, I'm super cool, don't be shy love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest listens to vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher. They treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired. I'm more like apples, I'm insider. I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment.
I'm more like apples, I'm insider.
Insider. And like cider? Like apple cider? He crazy. And then the silk with the...
I'm more like apples, I'm insider.
He's crazy.
That nigga is... Boy, he's the next bar.
He really the GOAT. He really the GOAT. He's really the GOAT.
He's better than some of the niggas we call top 5, but I digress.
Locked In Dave is really like he really challenging a whole bunch of niggas.
He's better than some niggas we currently say are top 5.
Locked In Dave is a problem.
It's the issues. Y'all gotta deal with that.
It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest listens to vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher. They treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired. I'm more like apples, I'm insider. I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed, these girls.
I let it link me like underscores. Oh my. That nigga is so filthy. Oh my god. I don't think y'all English niggas really listening. I don't think y'all English niggas is listening.
I just don't understand.
Like, cause he should be bigger than what he is, bro. Well, granted, we don't live in England, so we don't know. Yeah. He.
Like, I'm scared what else he got, because he still got like a minute and like 25 seconds left.
Really, 2 minutes, yeah. He got 2 minutes. Yeah.
This nigga's
I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed, these girls always want something more. Please don't annoy me. I may have called you princess, I ain't treating you like royalty. It's been less than 3 days.
God,
I merely called you princess.
Come on. I'm not gonna treat you like royalty though. I'm not. I will not.
See, it's tough because sometimes I'm the other way. I treat you like royalty, but I ain't gonna call you princess. But
wow,
it's another conversation for another day.
It's crazy.
Why you asking for my loyalty? Just look at what we went and done. I could have been anyone. This is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone from 17 to 21.
God.
A 90-day rule and a checklist of screaming in a pillow with some coking in a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game's so confusing.
Oh, you easy then. Oh, you easy then. Oh, you free. Oh, you free. Oh.
Yeah, it's like, do you really even want to walk through the door if everybody got a key?
That's what I'm saying. What they say? If a guy can get inside of a key, it's a broken key or some shit. It was a broken lock, but a master lock. Well, I forgot. Y'all know the saying, chat. Y'all know the saying, chat. A key that can get into many locks is a master key.
A key that can get into, a lock that opens for a lot of keys is a broken lock.
Yes.
But a key that can get into multiple locks is a master key.
Yes. Indeed.
I'm a master key. I don't know about you.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? This key.
What I meant to say was,
this key is meant for one lock.
I meant for one lock. I haven't found the lock yet.
There we go. Good job. Good save.
But I'm looking for it.
What they do in baseball? Save.
Yeah. My lock is somewhere out in the world just waiting on me.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Just
facts.
for me to just but I get tired of jimmying, so I get tired of trying
that shit
out my key.
It's broken.
Like, bro, my shit getting wear down.
Oh yeah.
I gotta get my key refurbished.
You gotta get filed up again. Oh, that shit.
Man, I ain't sharp enough no more.
Ah, no.
Get dull like that.
Nah, niggas gotta use a card or some shit. Hopefully the deadbolt ain't locked. Hopefully the deadbolt ain't locked. If it is murder. First I get murder.
So I wonder if a lock you use it too much, does it ever wear down? Like the lock. Like if the same key is opening the same lock.
I'm pretty sure.
After a while.
If it depends if you doing that shit hard as hell. I'm pretty sure after time it'll get. I don't think it'll be to the point where you can't open it.
That's why women cheat. They get tired of the same key going to the same lock. They really think about it. That's why they cheat, bro. They get tired of that key. I'm telling you. Happened to me.
We going back, chat.
I lived it. Twice. Shit.
8 minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment.
Hey, yo, chill, please.
Oh, God. These girls always want something more. Please don't annoy me. I may have called you princess. I ain't treat you like royalty. It's been less than 3 days while you asking for my loyalty. Just look at what we went and done. I could have been anyone. This is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone from 17 to 21. You went from a 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a pillow with some coking in a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game's so confusing. I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe their praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in confidence. I'm young and I'm free.
Hold on, bro.
How much it hurts me.
He said he takes all his insecurities and hides them in confidence.
I feel like that's a lot of men now, actually.
They display mass confidence in themselves to mass insecurity. You think so?
I think so. Especially to get women, because that's one of women's biggest turn-ons.
They love confident men.
Yeah.
I'm a confident person,
Natural.
but I think I'm just naturally a confident
That's what I'm
nigga.
saying.
Like I don't have to like make myself be that.
Natural.
Like I walk in any room, I'm like, man, I fuck over these hoes. But like, I don't know. That's tough.
Yeah, that is tough.
Probably, like it's almost you gotta psych yourself out. Like
yeah, because you have to like almost like play a role.
Yeah, like
until you eventually
playing a character
until you eventually become that character.
But then, what if the girl falls in love with the character you portray?
Well, then you're in a 360 deal, buddy.
Because then it's like now you have to constantly be this person. What happens when she finds meets the real you?
Then you got to figure some shit out. Do you want to tell her?
You got to tattoo your name in that ass. You know, so she don't want to leave.
That's also another option. No, that's crazy.
That's tough.
That nigga said he was a virgin before music. Now, girls, this is accomplishments.
God. Y'all not listening to Dave, man. Do we got any more Dave?
Oh yeah, we lined it up.
Oh yeah.
I had to. I had to do deep search and that shit.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, I need that.
So confused and I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe their praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in confidence, I'm young and I'm free. But do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me. Damn. And people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
He said they don't love me for me, Chad.
That's really what we was talking about.
Yes.
You displaying this confidence. They don't really like you. They liking what you showing them.
They like a facade.
Yeah, it's not you.
This nigga David.
But you know how much it hurts me. They don't love me for me. Damn. It's crowded in our scene, and people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
He said
they want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell.
Go back, Dave. Go back. That's a hitter. That's a hitter.
We almost slept on that.
People, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
That's why I'm trying to sell
Celsius.
That's 100 degrees.
100 degrees. Celsius.
Like Celsius and Fahrenheit. Like that's.
No, I get that, but like, what is he trying to say?
He said that's why I try to sell.
Let's like it's 100.
What's hot, that's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
That's what I'm trying to sell. C's is 100 degrees.
Is he trying to say that's what I'm trying to sell? See, it's 100 degrees. Genius in chat. Genius in chat.
Securities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in confidence. I'm young and I'm free. But do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me. It's crowded in our scene, and people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
What do you mean by
that? David's like one of my favorite artists, but I can't casually listen to him though. That's the only thing about him that kind of like.
He said, "Ooh, you cold-hearted demon." He said it's crowded in our scene, and people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
That's what I thought he said. See, it's 100. That's what I'm trying to sell. Like, look, it's 100 degrees. They just want what's hot. So I'm trying to portray that it's 100 degrees over here. So you want what I got. That's that confidence that he was talking. He tied all that in together.
That nigga cold. Hace frío.
Como dice icy?
Oh my gosh, he's cold. He's cold.
Dave, you really him. And like, you don't portray this like arrogant type of like
persona.
Like he knows that he's him.
They're really very humble for most of them UK niggas.
Yeah, they really are.
If I'm David,
I'm casual such assholes. Y'all niggas.
That's what I'm saying.
The casual English people like that, not the rappers and stuff, be really dickheads. I love y'all, but y'all really assholes for real. Like, listen to
this is bloody American. This pagan.
They be like, fucking American.
This Ben.
Pleb. Like, talking about dumb shit.
Oh,
God.
God.
But no, most of the artists are hella humble. Hella.
Yeah.
Hella.
If I'm him, I'll have the confidence like,
J. Cole. I'm leaning on some J. Cole shit. Like,
Man, I be talking so much shit. I
like the talk shit like academics.
Yeah.
Like just in your face with it. Like,
But I guess you can't, because I guess he always came from humble. Well, he definitely came from humble beginnings, because his mom.
But then you would think people like kind of switched up on you, or like.
I just feel like he came
That's
from.
not really you.
He came from
the gutter.
What? Yeah. What really people that come from the gutter is really like that, like on some
The baby.
I don't really know. I know he's from Carolina, but I don't really know how he grew up. For
Yeah,
real.
me neither. I'm just thinking of niggas that have that like.
That image.
Yeah.
Unless you from like the trenches for real.
But you gotta think, Lil Baby, he be popping shit like he really that.
Yeah.
But he always been like that though, like since a kid. So I guess it just depends.
That's tough.
Like, cause not a lot of artists really pop their shit like that.
Because
Meek's not humble. I'm not calling Meek humble. He is not humble by any means.
I'm so weird.
But yeah,
I guess they know now they gotta chill out because everybody dropping.
But I feel like your success is the biggest shit talk you can have though.
Exactly.
Because you have no choice but to see me. You know
exactly.
The people that doubted me, the people that didn't think I was gonna get to where I'm at.
These stats gonna always be here.
Like,
that history ain't gonna never go.
You can't see no type of Coachella, this or that in England without me headlining.
I'm headlining. I'm day
M's.
one. Day one. No, I'm day 2.
Like, yeah.
You gotta come to the next show.
Exactly. Like, I'm him. Like, there's nothing without me. The Brits. You can't have no Brits without Dave.
Yeah. What he say? He said I made my own lane and I nurtured it.
And I nurtured it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, this is a 10, man. Man, let us know in the comments. Make sure y'all like, subscribe.
Follow us up again to our social links at the top
Yes,
down below.
Bunch of shit coming up, man. Please don't fuck with us.
Look.
Like, what?